Hello YouTubers and welcome to another Disney Pixar Cars diecast review. Today we're going to take a look at George Newwin, the Nextgen Leakless Pistoncup racer number 52 from Cars 3. Now before we get right into the review and the retrospective, let's start with the unboxing. Here we've got his diecast sealed in, his artwork for Cars 3, the Cars logo, the red background, his name George Newwin, the metal logo, the Mattel logo, and on the back we have the Cars 3 logo and the cars on the back. We have Paul Conrev, Barry DePedal, Flipped Over, who I unfortunately don't have, Jambalaya Chimichanga, who I also unfortunately don't have, Strip the King Weathers, Murray Clutchburn, and Jackson Storm, the metal logo, red background, 2021 Mattel, made in Thailand, the Mattel logo, empowering the next generation through play, the Arson logo saying RSN, Racing Sports Network, Disney/Pixar, Plymouth Superbird, Petty, www.disney.com/cars. And we also have the metal logo. So now without any further ado, let's dig right into the unboxing. I'll be back as soon as this had been unboxed. So here we've got George Newwin all opened up and out of the package. Now if you're wondering about that Pistoncup trophy on there, that's a drawing of the Pistoncup trophy right there, because last night I was growing tired of using the drawings of the Danico 400 logo and the Copper Canyon Speedway logo and the Nextgenracers. So I had to throw them away. Thus I drew the Pistoncup trophy on there for Danico 400 Pistoncup races. So I drew them for Cars 3 Pistoncup Racers and Nextgen Pistoncup Racers and Evolution of Pistoncup Racers. From now on, I'll be using this drawing for Cars 3 Stock Car Racers and Nextgen and Racers and Pistoncup teams. So, anyhow, George Newwin is a Nextgen racer who currently races for the Leakless team with the number 52. And during his appearance in Cars 3, he was one of the Nextgen racers to enter the Pistoncup circuit in 2017 and had replaced Brian Spark as the Leakless racer number 52, and was one of the racers to participate in the Florida 500 of the 2017 Pistoncup season at the Florida International Super Speedway in Florida Beach, Florida. And during the race, he was one of the racers to get involved into the wreck on turn 2, and which was a 90 by cam spinner. And he was also one of the racers to not finish the race, along with not only Spinner, but also Tim Treadless, Steve Slick LePage, JP Drive and Steve Slick LePage. And the five were not and because they were badly damaged, they did not finish the race. And during his diecast releases, he was released as a regular diecast. He was first released as a regular diecast, though he was named Leakless number 52, along with in a Walmart exclusive 5-pack of 2019, along with Lightning McQueen, alias Rusty's Lightning McQueen, Jackson Storm, Chase Ray Slot, and Danny Swervez. Now, and was re-released again as a regular diecast, but in a single for 2022, which I got received from eBay last night. So now, without any further ado, let's dig right into the review. So here we've got his angry, determined facial expression, his yellow exterior paintwork, his black grille, working headlights, and on the hood we've got a new Leakless logo with a black gold color splat with the words Leakless in yellow, and the eyelids, which are black. And on both sides we've got the number 52 and the Leakless logo in black and gold, the gas cap, and a black number 52. No contingency sponsors. I don't know why Pixar didn't bother to put the contingency logos on there, but it is what it is. So we have a bit of gray at the very bottom, and the exhaust pipes, and the gray rims on the black wall Nextgen Lightyear racing tires, and on the top we have a bit of black and the yellow number 52, no name signature, and a bit of black on the back end, and the Leakless logo. And on the back side we've got the Leakless logo in yellow with black letters, the working red taillights, yellow number 52, orange rookie stripes indicating that he's a rookie. And on the undercarriage we have Mattel, Disney/Pixar, made in Thailand. And that is it. And now let's pull up some of the other next-gen Piston Cup racers. We have that share his body mold. We have Cam Spinner, JP Drive, Steve Slick LePage, Danny Swervez, Michael Rodor, Herb Kerbler, Paul Conrev, Barry DePedal, Richie Gunzit, Eric Breaker, Conrad Camber, and Kurt, aka Kurt with the bug teeth. And for some of the other Team Leakless racers, we have Claude Scruggs and Brian Spark. And that is it. Now let's do a quick comparison, because I think my battery's getting low. So, as you can see here, there are two differences with the Leakless logos. Leakless logo with the slogan Adult Drip Pans, and new Leakless logo without the slogan Adult Drip Pans. And this is the same way with Brian Spark. So, 2005, 2016, and 2017. And that is it. So what do you guys think? Which Next Gen racer sharing George Newman's body mold is your favorite? And which Leakless racer is your favorite? Is it Claude Scruggs, Brian Spark, or George Newen? Let me know what you think, as well as leaving suggestions in the comments down below. And if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos on my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time for another review, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye now!